Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima JayLow vertical kayak carrier. And I'll give you an up-close look at all the features and details of this particular design. So this is a J-style type carrier, and it is a folding type carrier, which means you can fold the upright down in between uses to provide better aerodynamics as well as better clearances. It also can be converted into a stacker style, meaning the support arm can be positioned vertically straight up and down as a stacker would be, so that you can not only have your main kayak within the cradle area, but you can have a second kayak to the outside when you purchase straps separately for the second kayak. So the main kayak will get all the rubber contouring to provide grip and cushion to the hull of the boat. It also gets the ramp to assist in side loading of the kayak. The attachment to roof rack systems is using a universal mounting type hardware that has a very easy to operate turn knob to tighten and loosen that from the crossbars. There's also an option to lock this hardware for security, to lock your cradles to the roof of the vehicle using the Yakima SKS lock cores, which are sold separately in match sets. So you can have all of your lockable carriers and accessories all key matched with the same key number. Now this rack includes straps to strap the boat to your carrier, as you see in the picture there. And here's an example of one of the straps that are included. So this is a nylon strap with a cam buckle and a rubber cover. Very strong, secure, and very easy to operate. Also included are, for safety, the bow stern tie downs. So the bow stern tie down consists of a loop which is strapped around the handle of the kayak on the front and the rear with one of each of the two straps. You pull out the slack with the buckle there. At the opposite end, you have a strong metal hook that hooks to the underside of your vehicle to a hard point. And if this strap does come in contact with the painted surface of the vehicle, you have an outer cover here which will help prevent any damage to the finish of that vehicle. So overall, Yakima's most popular kayak carrier, and that's due to the versatility and overall ease of use of this particular design. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular carrier, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.